A beeping Frigidaire refrigerator can be caused by several issues, and addressing the problem promptly is essential. If the refrigerator's door is not closed properly, the beeping will continue. This can happen when items inside the fridge prevent the door from closing completely. To resolve this, ensure the door is tightly closed and inspect the door seal for any damage. Another possible cause is ice buildup in the refrigerator or freezer, which can be fixed by checking the ice maker, defrosting it, and removing any stuck ice. High temperatures, such as those reaching 55 degrees Fahrenheit, can also trigger the beeping. In this case, ensure the door is closed and the condenser coils are clean. And if the beeping persists, try unplugging and replugging the refrigerator to reset it. Additionally, blocked air vents can cause the beeping, and this can be solved by unblocking the vents and defrosting any ice that may be restricting them. A power failure, which can occur due to unplugging the fridge or a power outage, can also cause the beeping. To fix this, press the restart button to reset the alarm. In some cases, a faulty door switch may be the culprit, causing the alarm to sense that the door is not closed even when it is. To address this, press the alarm mute button and check if the door switch is stuck. And if the beeping continues, use a multimeter to check if the door switch is faulty and replace it if necessary. By identifying and addressing these potential causes, you should be able to stop your Frigidaire refrigerator from beeping and get it back to functioning normally.